Let's talk about the Journeyman Hairstylist Exam US and what you need to know to feel prepared and confident. This exam is a major step for hairstylists across the country who want to move from everyday salon work into a recognized certified professional role. Here's the thing. A lot of talented stylists hesitate because they haven't taken a written exam in years, and that is completely normal. Today, I'll walk you through what the exam looks like, how to study, and how to make the whole process less stressful. The Journeyman Hairstylist Exam US is recognized nationally, giving you the flexibility to work across state lines without repeating the entire licensing process. That's a huge advantage if you relocate, join a larger salon brand, or start taking higher-paying freelance work. Most candidates need to complete the required training hours before applying for the exam. Depending on your state, this includes a mix of classroom learning and hands-on salon experience under a licensed stylist or instructor. Once your hours are approved, you register to take the exam. The written exam usually includes 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions with a 3.5 to 4 hour time limit. You might see questions like identifying hair structure, choosing the right chemical formula, following sanitation protocols, or troubleshooting color corrections. Topics often include product chemistry, cutting theory, tool safety, and client consultation steps. The exam is based on national occupational standards, which outline the core skills expected from a fully qualified stylist. Now let's talk about preparation. Most successful candidates study for 3 to 6 months before exam day. Start with small study blocks instead of cramming everything at once. Break your material into sections like safety, tools, cutting, color, perms, and anatomy. Review diagrams and practice identifying tools and chemical processes. Mindset matters just as much as your technical skills. If you feel nervous, remember that many stylists taking this exam are adults returning to school, busy parents, newcomers to the US, or people switching salons after years in the industry. You are not alone in this process. Thousands of hairstylists take this exam every year, and most of them feel exactly the same way at the beginning. If you prefer flexible study options, you can use digital tools. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and online time tests that help you practice at your own pace. These tools don't guarantee a pass, but they can help you understand question styles and strengthen your weak areas. Everything is downloadable instantly, so you can study on your phone or tablet during salon breaks or on the weekends. Real-world experience plays an important role too. Think back to that tricky color correction you handled last month. Think about the sanitation steps you follow daily. Those situations usually show up in exam questions. Connecting your experience to the exam topics makes studying much easier. Once you earn your certificate, many new opportunities open up. Journeyman stylists often move into roles like lead stylist, salon manager, beauty educator, or color specialist. Some start their own studios or offer premium freelance services. The credential also gives you stability during slower seasons or changes in the salon industry. So take your next step with confidence. Create a study schedule. Use tools that support your learning style. Trust your hands-on experience in the salon. And when you're ready to prepare more efficiently, explore the helpful study resources at journeymanstudyguide.com. You have the talent. You have the experience. And with steady preparation, you can pass the Journeyman Hairstylist Exam US and unlock a stronger future in your career. You've got this.